In this instructional video, we'll be talking about the grip tile. Now, normally in a pick and place tile, the gripper is going to automatically actuate. But sometimes you want to actuate that gripper outside of a pick and place tile, such as when you want to close the grippers to then push open a door, or maybe push that door closed, or one I commonly use to push a part into a vise. Now to do that, let's look at the grip tile itself. On our tablet, let's click Learn, Learn New Job, and slide a grip tile in. In here, there's a couple of details. The first one we're going to see on the right side here is wait for gripper to close. By default, the gripper is going to fully close and then move on to the next sequence in the job. Now, if you don't want to do that, you want to just start closing it, move on to the next portion without fully closing, and save yourself a little bit of cycle time. You can do that by unclicking that checkbox there. Down below that, we have gripper, where you can actually set which gripper you want to actuate. So if you did have a dual gripper, this is where you would specify which gripper you want to move. And below that, override gripper settings. So you don't always have to close down to the full width, fully closed position. You can close to a certain width by entering that width here in the width section. You can also change the speed at which the gripper closes by changing, of course, the speed percentage. Below that, we have force, and of course that was going to close the gripper down to a specific force onto the part or whatever you're grasping. Below all that, we have release and grip now, which are just useful tools to open and close your gripper while still in that job without using the handle. So the next time you want to actuate your gripper, you can use a grip tile.